Expert systems represent a significant milestone in artificial intelligence, serving as powerful tools designed to mimic human problem-solving abilities. At the heart of these systems lies a knowledge base, meticulously organized data that encapsulates domain-specific knowledge. This database acts like a well-curated library, where each piece of information offers insights and solutions to complex problems faced in various fields such as medicine, engineering, and finance. Complementing the knowledge base is the inference engine, a sophisticated mechanism that applies logic to the provided data. This engine operates much like a skilled detective, sifting through facts and employing rules to arrive at conclusions. The inference engine stands as a bridge, translating abstract data into actionable knowledge and recommendations. This process involves carefully crafted rules that dictate how new information interacts with existing knowledge, ensuring that users receive sound advice and solutions. The user interface serves as the final touchpoint, allowing users to interact with the system intuitively. It resembles a well-designed map, guiding users on their journey to uncover solutions without overwhelming them. Effective user interfaces empower users to input queries and receive explanations and recommendations in a comprehensible format, bridging the gap between complex computations and user-friendly experiences. Beyond aesthetics, the usability of this interface can significantly impact the adoption and effectiveness of expert systems in real-world applications. As we delve deeper, the value of expert systems becomes increasingly apparent. These systems not only enhance decision-making efficiency, but also reduce the possibility of human error, providing a level of consistency that is invaluable in critical situations. For instance, they offer significant support in diagnosing medical conditions, predicting equipment failures, and optimizing business processes, streamlining operations while enhancing precision. However, limitations must be considered. The creation of a robust expert system requires extensive expertise and resources, with the knowledge base needing continual updates to reflect new information. Additionally, issues arise regarding the transparency of the decision-making process, as users may struggle to understand how conclusions are reached without clear explanations.